all in one series, Social Science, 9th Standard Part History, Chapter 3, Religious Reforms of India. Important points and key concepts. Exercises, question and answer. Additional multiple choice question answer test. Let's begin. First slide. Significance of the period 8th to mid-13th century. Crucial era in socio-religious history of India. Birth and philosophy contributions of the Acharya Treyas. Shankaracharya, Ramanujacharya, Madhvacharya. Rise of three branches of Vedanta philosophy. Advaita, non-dualism. Shankaracharya. Vishishtadvaita, qualified non-dualism. Ramanujacharya. Dvaita, dualism. Madhvacharya. Basaveshwara initiated a major social revolution in Karnataka. Promotion of Marga as a unifying spiritual path. Next slide. Shankaracharya. Advaita philosophy. Born in Kaladi, Kerala. Nambodari Brahmin family. Early mastery of scriptures. Disciple of Govinda Bhagavat Pada. Philosophy. Brahma is the only truth. World is Maya, illusion. Soul is a one with Brahma. Aham Brahmasmi. Trust knowledge. Jnana Marga for moksha. Brahma is a Nirguna, Nirakara, Nirvikara. Next, major works. Shankara Bhashya, Sundara Lahari, Bhaja Govindam, Viveka Chodamani, Dakshina Murti Sutra. Established four matas, pithas. First, Jyotir Pitha Badrinath, Kalika Pitha Dwarika, Govardhana Pitha Puri, Sharda Pitha Shringeri. Next, Ramanujacharya. Vishishtadvaita philosophy. Born in Sri Perambaduru, Tamil Nadu. Studied under the Yadava Prakasha in Kanchi. Became a Pithadisija at Srirangam. Later invited to Karnataka by Vishnuvardhana. Philosophy. Atma and Paramatma are distinct but controlled by Brahma. Advocated devotion, bhakti and surrender, prapti for moksha. Opposed casteism, welcomed all into spiritual practice. Next, major works of Ramanuja. Vedanta Sangraha, Vedanta Sara, Gita Bhashya, Tribhashya. Propagated Sri Vaishnavism. Influenced Bhakti movement in North India. Important Amanya Mathas. Yatiraja Matha, Melkote, Parakala Matha, Mysuru, Ahobala Matha, Andhra Pradesh, Andavana Matha, Srirangam, Vamai Malai Matha, Suchendram. Next, Madhvacharya. Dvaita philosophy. Born in Pajaka village near Udupi, Karnataka. Disciple of Achyuta Prakasha. Later defeated him in debate. Philosophy. Human soul and God are separate entities. World is real, not an illusion. Lord Vishnu is a supreme. Devotion to him grants moksha. Installed Sri Krishna idol in Udupi. Established Ashtamathas. Major works. Gita Bhashya, Mahabharata, Tatparya Nirnaya, Vishnu Tattva Nirnaya, Mayavada Khandana. Prominent disciples. Padmanabha Tirtha, Narahari Tirtha, Vijendra Tirtha, Vadiraja Tirtha. Next, Basavanna, Vishwaguru and cultural leader of Karnataka. Born in Basavana Bhagyawadi, Vijaypur district. Served as a finance minister and later prime minister under the king Bijala. Opposed caste system, rituals and superstitions. Introduced Anubhava Mantapa, world's first spiritual parliament. Propagated Kayaka, work is worship. Dasoha, charity and Ishtalinga, body as a temple. Awareness as a guru. Emphasized equality, non-violence, gender equity. Composed Vachanas under the pen name Kudala Sangama Deva. Vachanas addressed social injustice, promoted spiritual discipline. Famous quote, Kayakave Kailasa, work itself is divine. Important Vachanakaras, Tatyakka, Aidakki Lakkamma, Channabasavanna, Ambigara Chaudayya, Madiwala Machayya, Madara Channayya. Declared cultural leader of Karnataka 13 to 2024. Exercises. First, fill in the blanks with the suitable words. First, Shankaracharya was born at Kaladi in Kerala. Second, the world is an illusion. Brahma alone is the truth. This was propounded by Shankaracharya. Third, Ramanujacharya's disciples are called Sri Vaishnavites. Fourth, proponent of Dvaita philosophy is Madhva or Madhavacharya. Next, second, answer the following questions by discussing with your groups. Fifth one, who is the proponent of Advaita philosophy? Our answer, Jagadguru Shankaracharya. Sixth one, which is the philosophy advocated by Ramanujacharya? What is their sect called? Our answer, Ramanujacharya advocated the Vishishtadvaita philosophy. Their sect is called Sri Vaishnavism. Seventh one, name the books written by Ramanujacharya. Answer, the books written by Ramanujacharya are Vedanta Sagara, Sangraha, Vedanta Tara, Vedanta Deepika, Sri Bhashya, Gita Bhashya. Eighth, which are the tenets advocated by Madhvacharya? Sir, the tenets advocated by Madhvacharya include Dvaita, dualism philosophy. The human soul, Jivatma, and a divine soul, Paramatma, are separate and distinct. Supremacy of Lord Vishnu. Narayana is the supreme God. Reality of the world. The world is real and not an illusion, not a Maya. Lord-servant relationship. The human soul is a servant of the divine soul. Attaining moksha. Devotion to Lord Vishnu can help the human soul attain moksha, liberation. Next, ninth, name the books written by Shankaracharya. Answer, the books written by Shankaracharya are Shankara Bhashya, Ananda Lahari, Shankara Bhashya, Ananda Lahari, Saundarya Lahari, Shiva Ananda Lahari, Viveka Chodamani, Prabuddha Sudhakara, Dakshinamurti Sutra, Bhaja Govindam, famous hymn. Next question. 10th, what were the welfare measures of Basavanna? Answer, the welfare measures of the Basavanna include opposition to caste system. He promoted equality among the all irrespective of caste and gender. Establishment of Anubhava Mantapa, known as the world's first parliament where ideas of social reform were discussed. Promotion of Kayaka and Dasoha. Kayaka, dignity of labor. All work is equal. Dasoha, sharing wealth and food with the needy. Emphasizes on equality. He encouraged women's freedom and participation in social and spiritual life. Condemnation of rituals and blind beliefs. He encouraged rational thinking and simplicity in worship. Ishtalinga concept advocated personal devotion by wearing the Ishtalinga and believing that the body is the temple of God. Non-violence, the compassion, Daya, these were the foundation of Dharma according to Basavanna. Upliftment of all classes, declared that no one is untouchable by birth and promoted in inclusive society. Next question, 11th one, which followers were the Basavanna during the Vachana movements? Our answer, the prominent followers of were with the Basavanna during the Vachana movement includes Satyakka, Aidakki Lakkamma, Siddharama, Channa Basavanna, Moolige Marayya, Ambigara Chaudayya, Madiwala Machayya, Madara Channayya, Samagra Haralayya, Kinnari Bommayya. These followers, known as the Vachanakaras, contributed significantly to the Vachana movement, which emphasized equality, devotion, and social reform. Next question, 12th, what is the meaning of Kayakave Kailasa, propagated by Basavanna? Answer. The phrase Kayakave Kailasa means work is worship. Basavanna used this to emphasize that dignity of labor is sacred and every form of work is equal and divine. The body is the temple of God, and through honest work, Kayaka, one can achieve spiritual growth. No work is inferior or superior, and one should not be judged by their occupation. This idea promoted equality, self-respect, and devotion through service in society. Now we will take a few MCQ question answer test. First, who among the following propagated the Advaita philosophy? Our options are A, B, C, and D. Our right option is here. Third one, C, Shankaracharya. Second, what is the core teaching of Advaita philosophy? Options are A, B, C, and D. Our right option is here. The second one, B, world is an illusion and Brahma is the only truth. Next, third one, Aham Brahmasmi is a core idea of which philosopher? Our options are A, B, C, and D. Right is Hama. Second one, B, Shankaracharya. Fourth one, which Pitha was established by Shankaracharya in Sringeri? Our options are A, B, C, and D. Right option is second one, B, Sharada Pitha. Fifth one, which philosophy was propagated by Ramanujacharya? Options are A, B, C, and D. Right option is second one, Vishishtadvaita. Sixth question, the religious movement of Ramanujacharya is known as, options are A, B, C, and D. The right option is here. The third one, C, Sri Vaishnavism. Seventh question, where did Ramanujacharya establish Chaluvanarayana Swami temple? Options are A, B, C, and D. The right option is here. Second one, B, Melkote. Eighth question, who was invited to Karnataka by the Hoysala king Vishnu Vardhana? Our options are A, B, C, and D. Our right option is second one, Ramanujacharya. Ninth one, who founded the Dvaita philosophy? Options are A, B, C, and D. Our right option is here. Third one, C, Madhvacharya. 10th, what is the key belief in Dvaita philosophy? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option is here. The third one, C, human soul and God are different. 11th one, where did Madhvacharya install the idol of Lord Krishna? Options are A, B, C, and D. Our right options here, the C, Udupi. 12th one, who was the founder of the Anubhava Mantapa? Our options are here A, B, C, D. Right option is here. Final one, D, Basavanna. 13th, what was the principle of Kayaka preached by Basavanna? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Right option is second one, B, work is worship. 14th, in which modern day district was Basavanna born? Options are A, B, C, and D. Right option is here. Third one, C, Vijayapur. 15th, what is the term used by Basavanna for God symbol? Options are A, B, C, and D. Our right option is here. Second one, Ishtalinga. 16th, what form of literature did Basavanna use to preach his ideas? Options are A, B, C, and D. Right option is here. The final one, D, Vachanas. 17th, which quote is attributed to Basavanna? Options are A, B, C, and D. Right option is second one, Kayakave Kailasa. 18th, which of the following is not a work of Shankaracharya? Options are A, B, C and D. Our right option is here the first one, Gita Bhashya.